Welcome to my channel Ana Lana. Today we are going to learn how to fix those little errors when we are knitting, so there is no need to undoing it. So remember, in my channel in YouTube is Ana for Lana. There you will see all my videos. Well, we are going to learn how to fix the error number 1, that is when we skip a stitch. Basically we missed one and then we end up with a hole with a big space, and we are not going to undo all this work we have been doing it. So what I'm going to do is just to try to fix it so it's not going to be noticeable. So we are going to take a crochet hook, and with that we are going to try to close the space. So we are going to take the little ring that is floating there, and we are just going to do like crochet, imitating the jersey stitch. So now we have this space, we have the loop already there. There is no way to connect it because basically we ate one row, one line. So here is the left, it has a continuity, here is the right, and this one has no way to go ahead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the loop and I'm going to hide it at the back in the wrong side. Okay, so nobody's going to notice it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the back of the sweater, and I'm going to use just a needle and thread similar to the color if it's possible, and I'm just going to be attaching it. So we are going to prevent this loop to start unraveling and making a worse mess. So just close it and it will be done. So we turn the work and we see that it's perfect. We were able to fix it. So now we'll continue with error number 2, which is what I call imperfect stitch. And this happens sometimes when we are knitting pretty fast and the yarn just splits, and we just continue, and we realize that it doesn't look even. Sometimes it's half of the stitch right there. So what we are going to do is continue through the whole line. We are going to follow the direction of the row until we get to the straight needle. And right there, we are going to put a marker. And then I'm going to be knitting up to the marker and remove the marker and then let go that loop. And I'm going to start opening the row. Just make sure that the yarn doesn't come out of the needles, and just continue. Okay, so I got to the stitch that is the one that I didn't do right, the imperfect stitch. I will take a crochet hook. In this case, it's a 5mm because it's the one that is recommended for this yarn. And I will continue just passing through the loop, like doing a crochet line. And it's imitating the jersey stitch. So I just continue until I get to the top, to the end. And when I get to the end, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the loop into the straight needle, and I will continue knitting. And in that way, it's going to look very even. Okay, so now it looks very even and it's like nothing happened. So I hope you like this tutorial, and please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. At the bottom, I'm going to leave the link of this green sweater that I just published, and this is the one that I was fixing the error. And I hope I can see you next time in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.